Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Recently I dropped my iPhone off the concrete. Luckily, I had the screen protector installed, so the screen is not damaged. That's why it's so important to always use the screen protector. I just received some new iPhone accessories from Benks. Their glass barrier screen protector with Sapphire coating and their new vintage leather case. So let's unbox the packages, apply the screen protector and find out if it's any good. Benks claims that this screen protector has some kind of sapphire coating. This is a serious claim, and by the way, I've already tested my Apple Watch Ultra 2 display with a diamond tester. Apple indeed uses real sapphire crystal. I'm really curious to test this screen protector as well. So let's open the box. Inside the package, you'll find the magic alignment frame with the screen protector itself, as well as some kind of foam pad that will allow you to perfectly position your iPhone on the table. I like this attention to details. Also, you'll find the instruction manual and cleaning accessories, such as wet wipe, dust removing stickers and microfiber cloth. The installation process is very simple, and I'm pretty sure even a small kid will be able to apply Benks screen protector. Just follow the manual step by step. First, position your iPhone on the foam pad. Next, you have to clean the display. Take your time, use the wet wipe provided in the installation kit and make sure your screen is 100% clean. Then you can use the polishing cloth to make it shine. Finally, use a dust remover sticker to remove even the smallest dust particles. It's really important to work in a dust-free environment, and I also recommend you wash your hands before applying the screen protector. Once the cleaning process is finished, you can start applying the screen protector. Put the alignment frame on your iPhone. Make sure to position the up mark at the top of your device. Then, slowly pull down the bottom strap to free the adhesive layer. Next, slide with your finger on the bottom line and your screen protector will start adhering to your iPhone. Thanks to the alignment frame, there is really no chance you will misplace the screen protector on the screen. Finally, remove the alignment frame and use the microfiber cloth to remove the resting air bubbles under the screen protector. This was probably the most satisfying screen protector installation in my life, and I'm very happy with the final result. There are zero bubbles or imperfections. The screen protector has slightly rounded edges, which will allow for more comfort, not like other cheap screen protectors. The price of Benks glass barrier screen protector is just $29.99, which is $10 less than Belkin's Ultra Glass 2, which you can buy at Apple. Now let's unbox Benks leather case. First of all, let's be clear, it's not 100% genuine leather, it's vegan leather, which means a very soft material that has the same texture as real leather. Unfortunately, Apple is no longer selling their leather cases for iPhones, and new fine woven accessories are really bad. So if you miss a good old leather case for your iPhone, check out this one. By the way, it's not very expensive, just $19.99. I think it's a great value product. The build quality is very good, it's of course MagSafe compatible, buttons are made of metal and are very nice to touch. It feels very premium and almost like real leather. It even has this leather-like texture, so if you miss leather accessories for your iPhone, check out this Benks vintage leather case. As promised, before ending this video, I would like to test this screen protector with my diamond selector tool. So as you can see, it's not 100% genuine sapphire, but it definitely has some sapphire coating. As always, I would never advise something that I'm not using myself. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.